This is the VOA Special English Education Report. What is the best way to learn a new language, a small study, a foreign language learning in adults compared to methods? One is known as the implicit or classroom method. This is the kind of traditional classroom teaching where students are taught a lot of information about grammar rules. The other method is known as the implicit or immersion method. The idea here is to learn much the way children do when they learn a native language. That is by being with native speakers and absorbing the language that surrounds them. Generally, without a lot of explanation, teachers may combine the two methods into what Professor Michael Ullman calls immersion-style classroom teaching. But is that necessarily a better way to learn a language? Mr. Ullman was the senior investigator for the new study. He is a professor of neuroscience at Georgetown University Medical Center of Washington. He said he was surprised to find that combining the two methods may not help the brain in processing the new language. If he had to learn a language, what would he do? One possibility would be to start with classroom and then go to immersion. But he said there is a possibility that classroom could have later immersion. That is one possibility in interpreting the data. The Public Library of Science published the study earlier this year. The 21 adults in experiment learned Borokanto 2, a 13-word language created for the study. The words and grammar rule relate to a computer game similar to chess that the learner played. For example, balloon Nemo Lulip Niparas means the square balloon pieces switched with the lift pieces. The research that the people 3 to 6 months after they had learned the language to see how well they could remember it. The study found that those who had learned it with the immersion method had brain waves similar to those of native speakers of language when speaking the language. Professor Ullman said those who trained with the classroom methods also become more native-like in their brain processing, but only the immersion group showed full native-like processing of the grammar. Still, he said, teachers should not make any curriculum change based on his findings. He said further research is needed, and it may be, for example, that a combination of classroom and immersion might be best, but we don't know that. For VOA Special English, I'm Matthew Ritter.